What's the meaning of articulator? Articulator. Articulator.
Articulator. Articulator. Articulator can refer to both a physical object and a part of the human body. As a physical object, it is a device used in dentistry to simulate jaw movements and hold models of teeth and jaws in the correct position for making dentures or other dental restorations. As a part of the human body, articulators are the structures responsible for producing speech sounds by altering the shape and position of the lips, tongue, and other oral structures. In both cases, articulators play an important role in shaping sound and creating precise movements necessary for dental work or speech production.